Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to get better quality on CapCut. To start, open your CapCut application in your mobile device. Once you are now on CapCut, the next step is to select plus new project. A pop-up will appear and then in here, select any of your videos you want to edit over at CapCut. Once you have selected, select add. On this part of the tutorial, go ahead and edit the video depending on your preference, from the length to everything. Go ahead, take your time. I'll be here waiting. If you want, you can also add filters and filter adjustments. Go ahead, take your time. In here, you can go ahead and adjust the colors of your editing so that it will be better to look at when you post it. And then in here, you can also add such as video layers or filters so that you can add more color correction to your videos. Once satisfied, select the 1080p icon on the upper right. Then in here, follow the resolution and the frame rate so that you will know it's pretty good. The technique to a good video is the resolution and the frame rate. The better the frame rate, the smoother it is for the eyes. Now wait for CapCut to finish uploading or exporting your video. Then you can now go ahead and check this out over at your photos or gallery. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.